Hi again, ladies. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know why the video cut me off, but I'm here, I'm back, let's talk about it. Alright, so we just finished off the last video by doing these two examples, and I'm going to actually finish the lesson now by doing the remaining examples, of course. Alright, so first thing to look at is here y equals 2 to the x. Now, what you might notice is that the exponent, which is the thing that we're trying to look at, right, is actually a variable this time. So in all the other examples so far, we've seen numbers as our exponents. Even if it was a fraction number, it was still a number, right? But in this case, we're seeing a variable as the exponent. And so remember that the definition of a variable is something whose value is constantly changing. And so because this x up here, it could at some point equal 1, that's true, but since the variable's value is constantly changing, it's not always equal to 1. And so by the definition of a linear relation, the degree of all variable terms has to be 1, right? But it is sometimes 1 in this case, y equals 2 to the x, but not always. And so for that reason, it is not a linear function, okay? I'm just going to zoom in here a little bit to write a little bit more clearly. Or sorry, not a linear relation, I bet. Okay, so there you go. Because the value of the exponent changes, in this case, then we cannot call it a linear relation. All right, let's do this example over here. Y is equal to 1 over x. Now, again, we're just going to take a look at where that x is, and we're going to convert that into x is equal to, x to the power of -1. And so we know that 1 over x and x to the -1 are the same thing. And so because of that, again, we can see that while there is a 1 involved in the exponent, it isn't actually equal to 1, right? It's -1. And so again, because of that, then this is not a linear relation, because the exponent isn't equal to 1, right? It's equal to -1. So because the degree is -1, okay? And we need it to be exactly +1 for the linear relation to exist. And this, in this case, it is not a linear relation because the degree doesn't fulfill those terms. Okay, so there we go. Those are those two examples that got cut off. Just a quick note that I'm actually just not going to do these examples anymore. We're going to cut those out of our notes, okay? I put them in at the start thinking we might have to do them, but we actually don't need to, and so we can just cross them off. If you have any questions about these examples or any of the previous ones or any of my writing because of this crazy stylus, just let me know. Otherwise, I hope you guys, ladies, are doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves, staying healthy, getting active, and taking care of not only your physical health but also your mental health. If any of you are struggling at all or anything, just reach out to me. I'm here to chat with you. I'm here to support you, ladies, whatever you need. And your emotional well-being and your mental well-being are just as important as your educational well-being. So, yeah, I'm here for you guys. Let me know if you need to chat. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.